Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's been a while. There's a lot been going on. This is a bit of a channel update and just my effort to try and get into a bit of the Christmas spirit in this winter wonderland here. I've bought a few sort of festive food and drink things to have and heat up, which I'll get going with. That was a bit of a faff lighting the the Trangia burner there. I don't think it agreed with the cold very well, but it got there in the end. Yeah, I'm starting to feel a little bit more Christmassy now. I'm trying out a new sort of little radio mic thing, so I really hope the audio is going to turn out well on this. It's just something I thought I'd give a try to. Like I said, just a little catch-up video. It's been some time since I've done one. There's been a few ups and downs going on with me, and I've also been extremely busy. Like I've said before, when I've done some of these update videos, I'm going to try and be a little bit more frequent with putting videos out, but I'm not going to push myself to do it. I still want to make good content for you, but I've got a few plans in the pipelines, few collaborations I'd like to get going with people. One, hopefully, which is going to be happening in February, but we'll have to wait and see. 2022 has been a bit of a strange year for me. The level work has done quite well, but for some reason leading up to Christmas has tailed off. I'm guessing it's the cost of living and everything, and people are just trying to, tighten the purse strings, which I totally get. I'm doing the same myself. It's a bit of a shame because I would have liked to have picked up a bit more, but I remain positive for the future. It can't stay like this all the time. And I've done a few good camps. I had been out with friends. I went to the bushcraft show, which was awesome. And yeah, got to try a few things, including doing a bit of blacksmithing, which I've never done before. That was great fun. But one of the things that has taken up a huge amount of time was I was involved with a bushcraft venture, which I did put a lot of time and effort into, but unfortunately didn't pay off. And that sort of knocked me back quite a bit. It was a bit of a blow and a downer for a while, but it is what it is. It's one of those things. Unfortunately, it didn't happen, and hopefully that venture will take off on its own without me in the near future. Who knows? Mulled wine is very nearly ready now. I'm really looking forward to this because I need warming up. Let's warm them up for a minute. Cheers, everyone. It's lovely. Oh, that's good. So one of the things I got up to this year was I did a family trip round the coast of Scotland for a couple of weeks. Yeah, had a fantastic weather throughout the whole trip. Yeah, beautifully clear days, hardly any rain at all. In fact, I don't even know we had rain. I'd have to go back and have a look at some of the shots I took. But absolutely gorgeous. And the only downside was I did catch COVID, but it didn't stop me from getting out and about in the countryside and doing things because, you know, not getting near people, so it's not a problem. Big thank you to everyone that's subbed and watched me over the last few years. I really appreciate all the time that you guys spend watching me and the comments you make. I got my first trolling comment the other day, which is quite amusing. So not bad for a couple of years of doing this. But yeah, hitting 600 subs recently was a great boost, considering I haven't been putting much out. But as I said before, I really want to try and push a few more things out. And like I say, got big plans for New Year, and I really want to get out on my canoe because I have not done that this year. It's yeah, that's been a real shame. But hopefully 2023 there'll be a lot more canoe adventures. That we do have, a few of us have a little canoe trip planned for some point in the new year. Not sure when yet, but there should be a few of us going out, and that promises to be a lot of fun. I'd like to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you all can get out to do the trips and camping things you want to do, and remember, please leave no trace. Happy Christmas.